Hey, what's up y'all? Eric here, and I'd like to welcome y'all to the new video. And today we're opening a new YuGiOh trading card game, which is I got this from Walmart. Yeah, it's $15, not bad. So yes, this one's the Ancient Battles. And so if you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit the like and leave a comment and let me know if you want to see more videos. So here we are. Without further ado, let's get it started. So, there you go. Right now, we have 3 other packets. The Ancient Battles 2021. I just want to check to see what's in there. Nope, nothing there. So, let's get on opening these little bad boys up. Oh, this one's kind of neat. The Deep Sea. I don't know how much. I don't care how much it's worth. I just like to open them and see. Oh, this one's really nice too. Awesome. Ooh, this one's nice too. I don't know if you can read it. Sorry. Try. That's the. I don't know how much is valuable of it. I really don't care. I was just having fun with it. So, and yes, I'm wearing gloves in case you're wondering. You know, it's just for fun, entertainment. Make it look professional. Obviously, it's not. Just having fun with it. Hope y'all do understand. Oh, this one's really nice. Magical Hound. And this one's really neat too. Can't really read it. This one's neat as well. Try to get y'all to read this. Sorry about that. And this one too. And there you go. Alright, down to our last one. So let's see what do we got for these goodies. Ooh, this one's real nice. What y'all think? Kind of neat, huh? This is kind of neat too. That's nice as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and also comment. Tell what y'all think. Hit the sub button. Follow Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok in the description. You get one of these at Walmart if you liked. Hope y'all enjoy. And as always, see y'all next time.